Hey, I used to think the only way to feel rested was to sleep 8 hours straight every night. But then I stumbled upon something fascinating: polyphasic sleep. What if I could sleep less and still feel great? I decided to give it a try. Most of us sleep 8 hours in one go. This is called monophasic sleep. But there's another option: biphasic sleep. Imagine splitting your rest into two parts: a 5-hour sleep at night and a 90-minute nap in the afternoon. Already, I'm saving time. Then there's something called the everyman sleep cycle. You sleep for 3.5 hours at night and take 3 20-minute power naps during the day. That's 4.5 hours total. 3.5 hours less than usual. Now, this one's wild, the deprivation sleep cycle. You take 4 30-minute naps and that's it. Just 2 hours of sleep in a day. It sounds insane, but what if I told you it could lead to crazy levels of productivity? Then there's the Huberman cycle, 6 20-minute naps spread across the day. Just like the deprivation, you're only sleeping for 2 hours a day. It takes some serious scheduling, but for some people it works. Of course, it's not always easy to fit these naps into a regular workday. Most of us have jobs or responsibilities that make sticking to these cycles tricky. But if you can figure it out, there are some real benefits. Studies show that polyphasic sleepers, especially on deprivation and Huberman schedules, often report better learning and even feelings of euphoria. And it's not just about saving time, it's about being more alert and focused when you're awake. Did you know that polyphasic sleep has been used by great minds throughout history? Leonardo da Vinci, Nikola Tesla. Even Napoleon used sleep cycles like this to stay sharp and creative. Today, even the military and NASA have done tests. They found that well-timed naps can boost performance and improve memory. But it's important to remember, this doesn't work for everyone. Before you make any drastic changes to your sleep, make sure to consult your doctor. Polyphasic sleep cycles can be life-changing, but they're not for everyone. Experiment and see what works best for you. And remember, the goal is a balance between health and productivity. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Check out my video on how to sleep off quickly and the mystery of late-night phone scrolling. You might find them helpful. Thanks for watching.